So it's about 7 o'clock in the evening, and in Illinois there's an absolute, or actually it's going pretty close. It's an absolute tank of a cell. It's warned. Storm Track says 7:54 it'll be in range, so we're gonna go. Hail size was an 1.25 inches, now it's 2. So we're gonna go watch it. It's absolute tank. Alright, we're jumping on 65 north. Down 232, blasting west, because the entire core of the storm is nothing but hail. So don't go in the rain tie. Whatever you do. Seriously dangerous storm. Plenty of cold air aloft, so when the updraft goes up, it just... Alright, just after driving for 5 minutes, we already see an elevated wall cloud. An intense hail core and quite vivid lightning. Blasting west, the storm has turned more supercellular and less globular. Got some scud. We got this giant hail right here. You can see the hail core right there. It's absolutely insane. And there's so much cold air aloft this early in the season. This entire storm is just exploding. Funnel. Right there. Yeah, keep your tornado ears. Oh, look at the sheer funnel. Look at it. It's like there's sheer funnels spinning up all along this thing. They look like worms. Look! A pretzel! It turned into a pretzel and then it turned into a steering wheel. I think it's one of those horseshoe clouds. I'm gonna run towards it through the field. Got some serious outflow. There's dust blowing everywhere. You know where to turn. Just go all the way to 39. Can't miss it. You'll know it. Oh man.
Let the soaking begin. Key whip gun the trash.